In this video, we're going to have a look at registering options pages with the Advanced Custom Fields plugin. This is a new feature introduced in version 3.0.2, and as you can see here, we've got a fresh installed WordPress. We've got the Advanced Custom Fields plugin here, and we're ready to get started. So the first thing I'm going to want to do is jump into Advanced Custom Fields, and I want to unlock the options page. I'm just going to enter in my key and activate that. So we can see that now we've got our options page down here on the side. Normally we can just add options here and use them globally throughout the website. But in this video what we're going to do is make our own options pages. And basically the benefit of this is just to split it up visually for the client to better manage these fields. So maybe we might have global options and footer options, maybe sidebar options. Okay, let's get into it. What I want to do is jump into a text editing program. And we're going to want to edit the functions file of the current theme that we're in. I'm just in the 2011 theme, absolutely nothing special. So let's have a look at the functions file here. And all we have to do to register an options page is use this new function we've got, which is called register options page. And this has one parameter, and that is the title of this options page. And I'm going to go ahead and call this global. Okay, let's jump back into Firefox and let's move away from this page. If we refresh this page, this URL won't exist anymore. So let's go back to settings, and now we can click back onto options, and you'll notice that the title has changed to our options global. Now, why haven't we got two options pages? As soon as you register an options page, it deregisters the built-in ACF options page. This just means you get full control over it, which is good. So if we want multiple options pages, because at the moment we've only got one, all we have to do is go back into our functions file, copy and paste this, and maybe we want an options page called, let's say, footer. And let's even make another one. Let's make one for homepage to have specific options just for the homepage. Let's refresh this, and here we go. We've got our registered options pages lining up here, and if we go in and make an advanced custom field group, let's just call this global options. We'll notice that in location meta box under options page, this is now populated with the new registered options pages. So let's go ahead and select global here. We'll publish this and we'll just add in a field, and we'll just call this email for the user to input their email address into. If we go ahead and look at the global options pages, here you go, we've got our email address, email@website.com. We can save that, and it's saved only to the global page, not to the other ones. Let's jump back into Coda, get rid of homepage, back into Firefox. Global and footer. Let's make one for footer. Footer options. Beautiful. Let's select the footer options page. Maybe in the footer we've got some columns. So let's call this content 1. Okay, we've got a WYSIWYG, and maybe content 2. Fantastic. Let's publish this and have a look at our footer options, and here you go. Here's our two columns of data. I'm column 1 and I'm column 2. Okay, let's save these. And here we go. We've got our global options here. We've got our footer options here. But they're all saving to the options post object, although they're split up onto different pages, and it looks absolutely fantastic. So I guess the last thing to do in this demo is to retrieve these values into our theme. So let's jump back into Coda. Let's pull these out into the footer, seeing as we called it footer options. Here we'll go div class content 1, and I'm just going to use the field. You can use any of the ACF API functions. The only thing you need to keep in mind is that the second parameter needs to be options, and this targets this options post object that technically doesn't exist, but the API will know what to do. I'm just going to double check with my field group that is actually content 1. Pretty sure that's what I did. Content 1, cool. And we also had content 2. Okay, fantastic. Let's have a look at our website, and hopefully we can see some content down the bottom. There we go, we've pulled out column 1, column 2, and then the last thing to do is to pull out the email address, maybe into the header. So let's open up the header, and we'll just put it right at the very top. Okay, email me at, and we'll make it a link as well, why not, the field, and this was just email options. Let's copy that, just do a simple mail to function, and that should work. Okay, let's refresh our page. Here we go, email me at email@website.com. So that's about it. That's a demo of the new options page, the new register options page feature. Look, I hope you like it. I think it's going to make some websites be even more easier to manage. So enjoy. All right, cheers.